Alright, so we're cooking some chicken tenders in the oven here, and it's actually running off the solar, so you can see the elements are on there. And we're going 1600 watts. That's with the electric blanket too. Maybe I should just unplug that. I'll unplug the electric blanket because it's another 100 and something watts that we don't really need at the moment. And that drops down to 14. Oh, that's alright. Okay, so it's dragging the battery voltage down. Obviously, the battery voltage was 14.5 before I turned it on. And she's running pretty well. You can see it getting red hot in there, and actually be getting a fair bit of heat off this. I did some calculations, and it seems to be it's going to run around the sort of 30 to 40 amp hour range in the usage, because I'm just running it for like 12 minutes, maybe 13 minutes at this sort of wattage. Well, that's not too bad. So 1443. That's pretty good. And I've got the car idling at the moment, and we'll swap to that screen. Oh, this is where I am actually. We'll have a quick look. It's just at a free rest stop on the side of the highway. It looks pretty nice, except for the, got some piles of stuff here. It's obviously where the council just dumps their leftovers. But yeah, there's the highway. There's an overpass and blah blah blah. But nice bit of bushland, and you can see the refinery over there, the little flame coming out the top of the refinery. That's going to be shocking footage, but you should be able to see it at least. But yeah, that's where we are, folks, and we'll swap to the other screen where you can see the solar details. So here we are in the Renogy app. Looks like I've got full service too, which is quite amazing. Oh, I can actually see a tower now. I spotted it. So I will have full service here, which is pretty amazing. So I'm running the cooker at the moment, and I didn't show you my heat shrouds around there, but they should be working all right. And yeah, the car's putting in a varying amount of power. The solar won't be doing much of anything at the moment. What have we got from solar? So the solar panels, 0.17 amp, yeah, because the sun is basically gone, let's face it. And we're getting 121 watts ish from the alternator, which is actually running the fridge at the moment as well, so I'm surprised we're even getting that much. But it does just mitigate the power usage from the batteries just that little bit, which helps along. We'll just see how it goes. So yeah, I forgot to mention what I did for heat management here. So I've actually got a tray underneath. So there's an oven tray in there, and excuse the dirtiness, it's not actually dirt, it's a lot of rust. This thing's pretty rusty now. So I've got another oven tray at the back, and yeah, I've got a big aluminium tray underneath, so that'll be stopping the heat from going underneath. And I've got it just big enough so the whole unit sits in there, and there's enough at the back just to keep it away from the back a bit, and the other oven tray sits in the side of that. And what I've got on this side is another oven tray, which I had previously, but it's sitting on there on a couple of magnets. So I've got a couple of magnets in here, and they're just magnetized to the side of the unit there. So it is stainless steel, but it is magnetic, so it's kind of stainless, as you can tell by all the rust in it, but it is pretty old. So it's cooking away. We're still looking at 1422 watts. Oh, because I turned the light off. So I've got everything else turned off now, basically. So 1422 watts. Got all my heat shrouds around it, and looking pretty good.